Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice shadow black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Class 2 trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice tow hitch, you got that nice backup camera, and hitting this button you can open up the back glass here, allowing you to have access to your cargo, which is pretty nice. We do have mud flaps on the rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice roof rack. We do have blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do have that license plate bracket and that nice Bronco grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look in the back here, we do have plenty of cargo space. You got a nice 12-volt outlet there, little hooks all around the back, which is pretty nice. And lifting this up, you do get access to your spare tire and a fair bit of storage. And of course, you can always fold down that row for more storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. And we do have this nice blue and gray black cloth interior. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you do have 2 cup holders and some arm space. We do have a USB and USB-C down there, and the nice Bronco logo just right there. And we do have plenty of door space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here that we do have powered seats, and the nice Bronco logo just right there. We do have the same cloth interior, but we do have this nice textured black cloth on the top, like we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space again. You have your trunk and lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 13.1 kilometers. Taking a look at our steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your menu, you have voice, phone, media, volume and mute, and cruise control just right there. Now looking at your main menu, you do have your information such as seatbelt, tire pressure, so on and so forth. You have trip 1, 2, my view, which you can go through. Oh, come on. Digital speedometer, fuel economy, and comm screen. And continue our look here. We have driving assist and what radio station you're currently on, and phone. You do have your gear shift, 2 cup holders, fair bit of storage with the USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. You have your auto hold, parking brake, GOAT modes, with your GOAT modes being normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. Continue our look here, you do have your heated seats, climate, storage right here, engine stop and start, auto stop, auto start, hazard, and we do have storage in the glove compartment as well, and a nice leather-wrapped center console with a ton of storage with the USB and USB-C. Now looking at our main screen, you do get a Wi-Fi hotspot, what station you're currently on, compass, and phone. Audio, we do have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, apps, settings such as Bluetooth, phone, Wi-Fi, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE82472, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.